So it should go on the roster basis.
The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, Nehusu, has written a memorandum to the Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal to halt load shedding during examination period. The union stated that they are currently having their end semester examinations. The semester examination are going on to continue till August. Continued load shedding during night time has caused disruption in preparation of the examination.
Government can stop the load shedding for the Champions League. They can also stop for this duration of exams so that the students can be able to do well in these examinations and also to prepare well. And also, as we know that the education sector in Meghalaya has gone down, the Nehu ranking has also gone down. So with the help of the stopping of the load shedding, we can ensure that the education sector will go up again.
A violent clash